What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and if you can't tell, the hype meter is going up and up. This is absolutely an exciting time to just be associated with HUMBL. I mean, this is incredible news, positive catalyst dropping yet again today. It truly is. Rob Luna comes back for more. He's intrigued. It's literally like that kid that tastes cake for the first time. He's like, this is actually pretty good, and goes back for more. That's exactly what Rob Luna did, because this is really kind of the first time we're seeing him dabble in a way with OTCs, a very, very infant company that is building the foundation and eventually is going to be building the house. And us as investors, Rob Luna as obviously an investor putting his time, his effort, we're going to be moving into this house, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm beyond excited to provide this video to you. Honestly, this community is so amazing, so amazing. I honestly can't thank you guys enough for the support. Anytime a HUMBL video drops, literally you guys are so amazing. Smashing the like button, putting comments in the comment section, getting hyped just like I am. It's absolutely incredible. So I can't thank you guys enough for the support on the videos. And I'm definitely going to continue to provide the content to you guys because it's tremendous. I love being a part of this. I really like being affiliated with it. Everybody that is in this community is extremely positive. So if you're interested in HUMBL, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we continue on with the hype train, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I have honestly done a ton of videos on this company, and every time I do another one, I am just more and more impressed, really honestly, where this company is going, what they are doing, who is starting to be incorporated with this company, the affiliations. I mean, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, we were just excited months and months ago when Tickery obviously was acquired. I mean, the hype around that, and look how far we have come since that point. We are obviously led by a very, very awesome, very, very good CEO in Brian Foote, and the leadership that just trickles down, is cascading down from the top, is just that tremendous as well. I mean, everybody is hungry for success, and a lot of these businesses, you can just sense it. You can sense the pride of the fact that they are tied to, working for, connected to HUMBL, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a tremendous vibe. It's a great feeling. And guys, I just, like I said in the open, the community is something you want to be a part of. You just really do. You see everybody that is a part of this on social media. It constantly is popping up. And really, people just do so much due diligence. So we're going to talk about Rob Luna. We're going to talk about who he is, a little bit of his past, and then we're going to really dive in and talk about the chart as well, because we've kind of been stagnant when it comes to his share price. This is not going to be a chart breakdown like TC from Burner Market Trading, by no means. The man is absolutely flawless when it comes to a chart. But I'm going to do my best to at least just provide you a little bit of spark when it comes to the chart. So not to hesitate anymore, it is time to swing on over here and check out a tweet from Brian Foote that really just kicked it off. And ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see this, and I truly think that this could be an epic NFT. The collaboration you see in this picture, subtract the hearts from all the likes from Instagram, this is honestly an NFT moment. So Brian Foote comes out and says, "Thanks for joining as a senior advisor at HUMBL. The Luna Rob. Looking forward to learning from you and executing on the road ahead." Honestly, I think that this is something that was very much needed. I think that Rob is going to be able to assist in a lot of ways. And what I mean by that is I immediately started thinking that when it comes to a share price, we really have been stagnant. We've seen this company do epic things time and time again. Is moving to a new headquarters going to cause the stock price to go up? No. But there are things that have occurred from a positive standpoint, like an acquisition, like an announcement to some things that are coming on board. Athletes first. There's some other things that should draw the interest of investors, and they should be climbing on board. And naturally, with that, it should be going in the upward direction. We really honestly have not gone anywhere. Really just floated between almost $1 to $1, I would say 60, and we've just been stuck in that window. And I think that Rob is going to be able to do some things that is going to project us in the forward direction and cause this share price to really realistically get to where I believe it should be. And what I mean by that is it's time to start considering an option of getting an uplist. I think we're going to start to see them really manufacture everything that needs to be accomplished in order to take those steps, in order to get to that next level. Whether that is a NASDAQ or something else, I would envision it would be a NASDAQ, but it's time to start locking and loading and getting into position to where it's time to start making those actions. I mean, you're seeing everything that they've done. Like I said from the beginning, we went and got Tickery. They go out and they join up with Athletes First. The ETXs are launched. The app is being released, which I think is going to be an ongoing, continuous thing. They go out and get Monsters Inc. There's just tons and tons of things that are occurring that, they move to a new headquarters. And again, I'm not saying a new headquarters move is going to cause a stock to go in the upward direction. But what that does is that also boosts morale when it comes to employees, when it comes to a CEO. It's almost as if it's a gift to his employees saying, hey guys, I know you've been working hard. I know a lot of you have been sleeping in the office because you've been working so hard. In gratitude, thank you, because we're expanding, because we're a growing company, and we need more space. Maybe we need something updated. We're going to move to a new headquarters. And then also with that, we're going to expand a little bit of what we are wanting to accomplish. In this case, they're going to be also doing iHeartRadio, and they're going to be doing podcasts. I think that, again, just signifies and really exemplifies what this company is just doing from an overall perspective. I'm beyond excited, ladies and gentlemen, and I know a ton of you are. This is just an incredible time, an incredible moment, and it really is just nice to be a part of something that you can just sense and feel that it's going to be something so special, so special. Like I've said multiple times in tons of my videos, ladies and gentlemen, I was not able to partake in very early on Amazon. I was not able to partake in a very, very early on Tesla. Same goes for Apple. Same goes for Microsoft. Ladies and gentlemen, the list goes on and on. I just wasn't able to. I wasn't either investing or I was just so young that it just couldn't happen. But this is my chance. This is a lot of our chance to really partake in something that is tied in a sense to every single one of those. And that's what's going to be incredible. You're talking about tech. You're talking about e-commerce. You're talking about ticketing. You're talking about events. You're talking about sports. I mean, you name it, and they're going to probably find a way to be a part of it. And what's so cool, too, is that, again, we are still in the infant stages. And that's something Rob really emphasized when he went back and talked on the interview with Charles Payne. Guys, he said this is a $1 trillion company, but then he also wanted to reassure and let everyone know that this is still a very baby phase. We are still in what would be considered a crawl phase. We're trying to develop. We're starting to get to that point, and we're going to see this thing do some amazing things. I can't wait to see the run mode. Holy smokes, imagine just what the jog mode's going to be like. I mean, that is what I'm talking about. So I'm super pumped about it. I'm just beyond excited. So now what we're going to do is talk a little bit just about Rob Luna's story. Rob Luna is confirmation that the American dream is alive. He went from growing up hungry and battling the tough streets of Los Angeles to becoming an Ivy League alumnus and earning an MBA degrees in 2 countries. His 22 years of experience includes consulting with companies such as Amazon, Google, Facebook, and managing money for some of the world's wealthiest individuals and building a multi-million-dollar business that was sold to a publicly traded company. I think all that just speaks volumes right there, and it tells you exactly what he can provide to a HUMBL. Again, I think that this is going to be a way where, from an advisory standpoint, he's going to be able to tell you, what to expect when it comes to uplisting, or what it expects to, approach and make money. I think that's where you just let Brian Foote go be Brian Foote, be the CEO of this company, and do what he's special at, and that's just building this company the way he has been from the very beginning. You always see Brian smiling, and I think that, to me, just tells you right there the excitement, the passion he has, that he puts into the company to be able to collaborate with, honestly, the investors, and just communicate to them in ways and provide so much information. You see it through Twitter, being able to go on Instagram Live. You just feel that vibe, and anybody you talk to, you really get that from him. I did an interview recently with Gio. That's one of the things Gio said. I'd done an interview with TC from Burner Market Trading. Same thing. You sense it, you feel it, you know what you're investing in, and you get that vibe from Brian Foote. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a tremendous, tremendous company. I'm beyond excited to just see where we continue to go, and this is just the beginning. And now we've come to my favorite part of any video, and that's chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out HMBL. That is going to be HUMBL. So today it opened at $1.23. It got as high as $1.40. Its low was $1.16. Its volume, 4.22 million. Market cap is currently 1.169 billion. 52-week high is $7.72. 52-week low is 0. Average volume, 11.67 million. I think what you're seeing right there from the open to the high to the low is just how significant of a run this is still, happening. Obviously it's making big swings. As you guys can see, this is a 1 month chart. So we're looking at May 25th, really just tremendous uptick, and then it pulled back, uptick again, tremendous pullback, and really we've settled in. And that's kind of something I really want to focus on, is the fact that we've kind of settled in. We've had a little bit of a spike to $1.35, but we've also retracted back. Today we closed at $1.20. That was down 1.64%. I don't think that this consistently stays up, and once they start truly getting to a good share price, relatively where they were at the 52-week high right after reverse split of $7.72, I think a lot less, in my terms, shenanigans would happen. I think this thing would start to be a little bit more consistent. Ladies and gentlemen, I do want to emphasize that this stock is not always going to go in the upward direction, and it's just not always going to go down either. I mean, you do have ways of the market and how things function. I know tons of you are aware of that, but you have to be able to see the positives in every situation. And this company continues to put the positives out every single day, it seems like. So we're going to get there. Stay the course and do what you got to do. If you're a long-term investor, know what you hold. If you're a swing trader or something, take advantage of the time that you can and do what you got to do. So those are the things that I really wanted to focus on when it comes to this chart. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on HUMBL. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly, again, can't thank you enough for the support on these videos. It means absolutely the world to me. It really does. I enjoy really gaining and growing a community that is as positive as HUMBL. I don't think I'll ever get as many people, but what is just incredible is just the genuine people who really enjoy the videos. They comment, they let you know, they smash the like button, but it also happens on social media like Twitter. So I can't thank you guys enough for the support. I do remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And hopefully you guys were entertained. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.